Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So we've shown you a few videos of our systems on GMC and big trucks, backup cameras. Now, a lot of times we get customers ask, what's the difference between the cameras that we bring that are a bit more expensive to the cheap camera that costs $20-30, and we've seen people bringing them. The main thing that we see and the main thing that we can show very easy is the angle of the cameras. So a lot of the cameras, the cheap ones, will say 170 and stuff like that. So they might be wide, but the problem is that they don't have a vertical angle that is big enough. And what does that mean, vertical angle? So usually when you see the cheap cameras or the lower quality cameras, what you're going to see is that you can see your step and you can see maybe 2-3 feet behind you. Right now, what we can see is we can see the step of the truck, and we can see about, I would say, 40-50 feet behind us. So we're going to open the door so you can see the image in here. We can see there's a vehicle in here. We're going to show you how far is this vehicle. This is how far. Now the advantage of having an angle that is that wide is to have the vehicle, when you're coming out from parking or anything, if somebody comes behind you or from your sides, you can see it much ahead of time, comparing to the lower quality ones that you barely see, and you have to have somebody pretty much almost hitting you before you can notice that there's something there. So again, sometimes a great deal online might look like, the best deal. Why not? This is what you pay for when you get a better quality products. They work better, you can see better angle, especially on safety products. You always want to make sure that you get something that is really does what it's intended to do, not just giving you a small image in the back. For more videos and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.